Good morning all. You find me in my pajamas in the kitchen. It's, my clock's wrong, 8:30. This one is moaning because he wants to eat, but he's also purring now because mommy's picked him up. I'm gonna make a banana loaf because, as we know the ritual by now, the boy's going home, which he is, then I take him, well, I make baked goods that he can take with him to give to the family and himself. So, I'm gonna make the banana chocolate loaf that I made last time because apparently that went down well. I got some dark chocolate, apparently they couldn't tell the difference. Are you okay? He has been fed some bananas. I'm gonna get the other stuff and get rolling. Oh, I need to put the oven on 180. These are the best, by the way. They're just a loaf, perfect size. Oh my God. Shh. Shush, baby. They're perfectly lined loaf tin size. You pop it right in there. Saves you having to cut it, and like you waste so much when you cut it out anyway. These are really handy and super quick. This should take no time at all. Then I'm going to get ready and I'm going to show you some bits that I got from H&M. I have a box upstairs with some stuff. A large box upstairs that I'm excited to open. It's been sitting there since yesterday, so we can try on that stuff together. Should be a pair of shoes in there as well. So let's get this done, throw it in the oven, and then we'll get ready for the day and I'll get out of my pyjamas because it's just a bit ridiculous, isn't it? and it's ready to go in. The brown sugar on top and the chocolate is not something that's in the recipe. I just added them in, and I just added as much as I think. The brown sugar is quite obvious. I always add it to my baking stuff because I like that crisp top, like all of our family do. And the chocolate, I just added half a bar because I thought that was enough, and I think one whole bar, because it's dark chocolate, would be too overpowering. But you guys can estimate stuff like this. I'm not the best baker, but things tend to work out quite well. So in the oven this goes, and then we'll do a little haul. Oh, I need to set my timer. 50 minutes. Done! I am dressed and ready for the day. I'm gonna open up this box with you guys. Been running around a little bit. I did have breakfast, so I didn't show you guys that, but I'll put in a picture. I did take a picture. Now this came really quickly, so I do remember. Here, he's been messing around with everything all morning. You see? So I'm going to give him this to play with so that you don't mess with the camera. Right, so we have, let's start with the basic stuff first. I've got some undies. These are, you just need stuff like this, it's good, isn't it? So this is a pack of 2 low-rise seamless Brazilian, which I believe would be my type of thing. So like high-waisted but a thong. Yeah, perfect, love those. I got them in a medium because I know this fabric is the same fabric as, that's incredibly annoying noise, isn't it? Shall we move it? Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, these are basic. I have the biker shorts in this fabric and they're really comfortable, but I wanted them not so they suck you in, just so they're comfortable. That looks a bit weird. Also got some bras which are the same fabric as these, and it's just a set of 2 again, I think. One in black, one in white. Oh, this is a slightly nicer fabric, although there's padding in these which will be taken out. Also got in a medium, so they just should hopefully be comfortable together. That's not really anything exciting, but always need some underwear. And then I got a set, I'll show you guys the shoes last. The set in this like mauve colour, which is like a jumper and trouser set. I normally don't like a neck like this, but I'll put up the picture of what the model looks like in it. And I don't actually buy myself sets of stuff that goes together. I normally just get the odd piece here and there, so hopefully these will be nice. Oh, there's a really nice flare on these. So we'll try these on in a minute. And then the last thing are these shoes, which I simply like. One, because the colour, but also, but also because I like that the sole of the shoe is the same colour as the rest of the shoe, and then the hardware is gold, which I think is quite cool. And they weren't that expensive. Do you like these? You don't have to be silent. You do like them? Yeah. Cool, right? Mm-hmm. So yeah, I got these in a, did I get them in a 7? 6.5, which is perfectly my size. So I guess let's try this stuff all on together. Obviously not going to show you with underwear on. Oh, I'm not sure about the end of the laces there. I don't know what that's about.
Oh.
Interesting. So they put an accent colour on them, but seem quite sturdy. They're obviously not leather. I think they're about 30 something pounds. Yeah, 40 pounds. So not leather that I know No, I don't think they are. But yeah, let's try this all on. Okay, so just trying on the trousers first, and I popped on one of the bralettes. They did come with some padding. I've taken that out because I'm not interested in, I don't really need the extra support. They may look a little bit more see-through. I actually think they're okay. They're double lined. So this is the white one, and then these are the trousers that go with the set. I really like the flare. I think if anyone knows me, they know I love a ribbed flare cozy trouser. I'm just going to throw on the jumper over it. I've already taken the tag off the trousers because I love them. And this jumper's quite interesting. Where's the back? Because when I put it on, it's got quite a wide neck. This normally makes me feel like I'm being suffocated when I wear stuff like this, but this is nice and loose, which is good. Let's just tuck that tag in. But what I like about this is it's got this slit up the jumper, which is quite cute. Is it a keep?
Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah?
I like that a lot.
Just cozy. Good colour on it actually. I thought the colour was a bit funny.
No, I really do like it.
But yeah, I quite like this. So, this is it up close. It's not an itchy fabric. I don't really know how you do necks like this. It's like,
Double roll it.
do you like that? Like that? Obviously don't have socks on right now, but it's fine. See that? I like those. I feel like I can get away with these with like biker shorts and a skirt too. So we can remove the tag now. So these are the shoes. I don't love the green, but I don't hate it. And obviously it looks a bit funny because I'm just lifting up the trousers, but if we can imagine the trousers not there. I think they're cute. Please do not mind the scratches all up my legs. That's the cat and me unable to wear shoes without getting marks on me. If we look at just the set also, I love it. Nice and cozy. The black bra is the exact same as the white one, but I'm gonna quickly try it on for you. But I've got the white one on underneath here. Nice and cozy. So yeah, quite happy with this little haul. So here we have the black bra, exact same, really nice and comfortable and a nice fit as well. I am going out for dinner for my friend's birthday tomorrow, and I plan on wearing just black jeans, a black bra and a blazer, so I might actually just wear this one, but very nice and comfortable. And then with the trousers, nice and cozy. I'm still wearing the shoes. Do love them. Looks like it's ready. We're gonna do the knife check to make sure the cake batter is not wet. Ooh. I think that's good. I think we're good. So, as the baby's crying, we're going to set it on this cooling rack so that it can cool down to take with him. Today's video, I hope you enjoyed. We have some exciting little things coming up very, very soon. It's the boy's birthday coming up, so there's some exciting things. I'm going out tomorrow, so I'll bring you guys along to that. And I need to go and get my nails done because they're quite grown out. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'll wrap up the cake and I'll show you guys that done as well. And then I will see you next time. Bye guys.